What if I told you that a broke teenager with zero experience and no connections went from having just a few dollars in his bank account to becoming a millionaire in just 12 months? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to reveal exactly how he did it. Every step, every struggle, and every secret that turned his life around. And the craziest part? You can do it too. So, if you're ready to discover the real blueprint to financial success, stay with me till the end, because this story might just change your life. Act 1. The struggle. The rock bottom moment. Meet Jake Carter. At 17 years old, Jake was like any other teenager, broke, frustrated, and constantly worrying about money. He lived in a small town. His parents were struggling financially, and he knew that if he didn't do something, he'd be stuck in the same cycle forever. One day, everything changed. Jake was rejected from a part-time job at a local store. They told him he had no experience. That night, he sat in his tiny bedroom, staring at his empty wallet, and made a decision. I'm never going to beg for a job again. I will make my own money. But here's the thing, he had no idea where to start. ACT 2. The first step, learning and mindset shift. Jake knew he had two choices. Keep complaining about being broke, or start learning how money actually works. So, he did something that most people never do. He started studying successful people. He watched YouTube videos, read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and listened to podcasts from self-made millionaires. And that's when he had his first big realization. Making money isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. That simple mindset shift changed everything. Instead of looking for a job, Jake started looking for opportunities. ACT 3. The first hustle, making his first $1,000. With no money to invest, Jake needed a zero-cost business. He stumbled upon flipping free items on Facebook Marketplace. Here's what he did. 1. He searched for free items, old furniture, electronics, bikes. 2. He picked them up, cleaned them, took better photos, and resold them for a profit. 3. His first flip? A free couch he sold for $50. After a few weeks, he made his first $1,000. It wasn't much, but it was proof that he could make money without a job. ACT 4. Scaling up, finding a high-income skill. But Jake didn't stop there. He realized that flipping items required a lot of manual work. If he wanted to make serious money, he needed a scalable business. That's when he discovered freelancing. He learned video editing, graphic design, social media management, and using Upwork and Fiverr, he landed his first client, a small YouTube channel that paid him $100 per video. In just 2 months, he was making $3,000 per month editing videos. ACT 5, the breakthrough, building an online business. While freelancing, Jake realized something powerful. He was making money with his skills, but what if he built a system that made money without him? So, he reinvested his earnings into an automated YouTube channel. Here's how. He hired freelancers to create faceless videos. He posted 3 to 5 videos per week on finance and motivation. Within 4 months, his channel hit 100,000 subscribers and became monetized. That was his first passive income stream. ACT 6, going all in, scaling to $1 million. Now, with money coming in, Jake doubled down. He launched 1. An online course teaching others how to start a YouTube automation channel. 2. Affiliate marketing, promoting high-ticket finance products. 3. A coaching program for aspiring content creators. By month 12, his total revenue had crossed $1 million. From broke teenager to millionaire in 1 year. Conclusion. The lesson, how you can do it too. And the best part? Anyone can do this. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, "I'm ready." because your journey to financial freedom starts now.